Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to delete your Telegram account. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video where I actually explain how you can actually go ahead and do that. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is on a search browser, you're going to want to go ahead and search up Telegram delete account. Now, once you actually type that in, press go, and the first option here that should come up is the Telegram website that says mytelegram.org. Now, go ahead and click on that. Now, once you actually go ahead and click on it, you should get a page that appears that it says delete account or manage apps. So all you necessarily have to do here is you're going to want to go ahead and put your phone number. Now, once you go ahead and put your phone number, you will eventually get greeted with a few options, and it's going to ask you if you really do want to leave, and it's going to ask you to actually provide a reason why you want to leave the Telegram application. So just give a brief description and everything, and that's pretty much how you go ahead and delete your account. Pretty much as soon as you put your phone number here, it should be pretty straightforward from there. So hopefully you found this video extremely helpful, guys, and with that being said, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.